You ready? Going.
Oh, I'll set the same place.
That's unfortunate.
I hate Jushin when you're in front of an error bus. I don't see his life. I see yours. A red ant. Bring it here.
Yeah, bring it closer.
Bring it closer. Attack it, guys.
I am.
Thought it's the second one, not the first one.
You can do either one.
Okay.
Oh no, she
No,
left.
Look for that other one.
I'm trying to bring it closer.
Not close enough, boys.
Alright.
Am I in
Back
it?
a little bit.
You're closer, yeah.
I got it.
I stayed in the middle of that one, so see what happens.
Yeah, stay in the middle. Don't go on the side. You're gonna get left behind.
I'm in the middle, not touching my mouse.
Shit. This is it.
Right
Right.
side. Oh. Get no brick.
To the block that down so you don't die. It hurts.
Yeah, if you don't block that, you're fucked. Now we have extra damage, boys. Pop everything, man.
Here, bro, stop moving.
I don't wanna.
Yeah, stop moving. If not, we cannot heal you. You go too far.
I'm trying to get that extra DPS.
Go here, DPS, man.
God, that's 3K every single parry, man. How do you run?
Yeah, he needs
Yeah,
that
fuck
your
3K.
DPS,
Not it's
bitch.
behind.
Ugh. What do you eat those?
Which one is up? We need the red one again?
Yeah, we're gonna take the second one. If not, we're gonna disappear. Here, red one.
Alright, red one right here.
Kill him, son. Get over here, plane. Plane.
Lana! Oh my god.
It's alright, it's fine. Just
Yeah,
go to
you're
the
fine.
other one.
You'll climb
Yeah.
up. Probably.
Rotate on the other side since the thing's over there.
Yep.
No.
Yeah, but cooldowns are crazy. Middle, everyone.
Where he's at?
Right
Nice.
side.
Perfect.
Nice.
Goddamn stone birds.
I love Stonebridge. Those are the best.
Where are these boys already at now?
Now, guys, Jishin, you stay with me for the lava.
Yep.
After
You're on
lava,
the
we all
left
pull
side.
Guardian.
Gotta be a party around here. Let's go.
I get yeah. Stop moving.
Don't get to me. Thank you. Oh, sweet baby D. I don't think I'm gonna make this. Oh, I'm gonna make it. I'll make it. I'm a Chad.
Alright, pop your guardian.
Yeah, Guardian. We have damage boost and everything. It's gonna be the blue end.
Everything.
Blue ant boys.
No, the next one.
Yeah.
Is it this one? This one now,
Kill,
right?
kill.
Yeah, this one.
Too far out, boys. Bring it closer.
Get inside. Get inside.
I'm
Benush.
stunned. Yeah, I'm stunned.
Alright,
No.
fine.
Oh, we're good.
Let's go to,
I'm gonna.
We got this, boys. This is easy.
Airbus, I don't think you have this, do you?
I got it. No, I don't. I'll run. I thought I was in a circle.
Good thing I questioned that.
I
You
am in the
would've gone-
circle. I am in the. I do have it, bro. Why you quit? Yeah,
I questioned it.
Okay.
It's just a
Yeah, and you made
question.
me. You made. Yeah, I couldn't see it on myself. You made me question myself, bro. I knew I had it. You bitch.
Yeah, I was like,
You see, you're
yeah,
throwing,
I
bro.
don't know what you're
I'm
having.
not. I couldn't tell if you
Why'd
had
you
it
even
or not.
speak? Just let me think I had it. You just made me doubt myself. You goofy motherfucker.
I didn't think you had it. That's why I asked. Just ask you, man. Damn.
Man, well, shit. No, it don't matter though. I was like, bro, let me just think what I think. I couldn't see it on myself because of all the effects I had on me. You know?
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah.
that's what exactly what I was thinking. Like I couldn't see it. That's why I asked.
Give me box.
All right, box.
Oh, got another bracer.
Nothing.
I got another bracer too.
Nothing. I got the fucking
Collision
ring
resist.
again.
Oh, I don't. I guess that's actually.
Amazing.
Right.